Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this disappearing magic trick video edit on CapCut PC. So you're going to have two videos. One is like you hold like an item, an object like a paintbrush or a pencil or even your hand, and you can do this motion and also take a video of your background as well. Then put that on top of your background. And you're going to select mask on the second video, select split and split it this way and put it up here and kind of feather it out a little bit. Add a keyframe and go frame per frame to like adjust it. It is a little bit it gets like slanted a little bit, so I might have to like do that-ish. Maybe like 183 degrees. There you go. And I'm going to go frame per frame and I'm going to like move it down. Just going to keep on moving down. It goes a little bit like kind of straight again. And I'm just going to keep on moving that down. You can just like move it downwards by that, like all the way down there, but it's not going to, it won't work as well. And just keep doing that till everything just disappears. And this is what it should look like. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!